Hello again, this is Mukesh and you're watching STEM tutorials on Microschool. Hello everyone, I'm back with another game that is catching egg in the ball. The game is very simple. The eggs will keep falling from the top and you're supposed to catch them in your ball using arrow keys, left and right arrow keys to position the ball right below the egg. You want to ensure that the eggs are not broken. That is, if it is not collected in the ball, it gets broken and that will be counted as missed eggs. The moment you have three missed eggs, the game is over and your score is shown. So let's play the game. You can start the game by clicking on the green flag and then you control the ball position by left and right arrow keys. You want to ensure that you get the ball in the position right in time, otherwise you will see the egg is missed. And as I mentioned, you got 3 eggs missed and the game is over. I hope you enjoyed this video tutorial. If you want to stay updated with the latest videos on our website, do not forget to like, subscribe, or press the bell icon.